Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paola. In case you're new here, I make videos that are beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related. And I have been MIA for a while. Yay. Not yay. But yeah, you know, life happens. No excuses. Just getting right back into it. I am a little bit under the weather still. I've been like this for a few days now. But it seems like every time I set up to do something, something happens. So, sick or not, we're doing this video. So like I was saying, I've been hoarding this palette, like just holding on to it. I got it as soon as it dropped. As soon as it dropped, that first day it was in Sephora, I went and picked it up. And it's it's dusty now because I've been holding on to it for forever. But anyways, this is the Neon Obsessions palette by Huda Beauty. I picked up the orange one. I was going to pick up the other two, but to be honest with you, I wasn't going to really use them. So I wasn't going to pick up, like, they're beautiful, gorgeous. But I just wasn't going to use them. So I picked up the one that I was most likely to use. And it was this one. And I just want to show you guys how flippin' gorgeous this is. I have swatched it already because, yeah. But look at how beautiful these colors are. So I decided I was going to create an eye look using just these. So I'm not going to use any other palette on my eyes. To show you guys how I would kind of do it. This is going to be a little bit more on the extra side. Like, if you're a person that just likes liner and lip gloss, this is not going to be the look for you. But, you know, every now and then you got to razzle dazzle. So, with that being said, let's jump right into it. Oh, I almost forgot. If you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and share me with your friends. Who knows? I don't know. Someone might really enjoy my videos. So, and then you're going to be the one that put them on. So, you know, also my hair is a mess, but that's not new. And you guys know this. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. Love y'all. Let's get started. I really need to go do my brows because they're a little bit crazy right now. And also I got a pimple. My skin had been doing really like bomb.com. And I got impatient and crazy like about it, so I popped it and now I have this beautiful acne scar. And so ignore that. But anyways, what I was saying about my brows is that I'm going to start off by doing them because they look a little crazy. And I'm just going to use my tried and true fave. Like, I love the pencils, to be honest with you, for like quick everyday. But if I'm gonna do like glam, I will always go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills a dip brow pomade in, this one is Ebony. Is a little bit darker than the other one, but it's between this one and chocolate all the time. If I'm wearing like super glam makeup, this was on my brows. So let's get into this. I don't need to show you guys this part. You guys have seen me do my brows a bunch of times, and if you haven't, or if you have and you want to see like an updated video on it, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to do it for you. It's not a problem. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I realize I have angry brows right now. So I'm going to clean them up. They're gonna look good when I put the rest of my face on, but I do plan on using very bold colors on my eyes. So I'm going to I'm sorry, my throat is like, I'm going to be using very bold colors, so I know my brows need to be kind of bold to kind of fit in so they don't just fade away. So that's what I'm doing. And I haven't cleaned them up yet. I'm going to be cleaning them up with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. And this is in the color C11. So I'm going to go right in with the color. And the first one that we're going to use is this yellow tone all the way up here at the top. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm going to use that one. And I'm going to use it high up here. So right underneath that, I'm going to go in with this color. Not quite in the crease yet. I'm going to do really bold crease. But I am going to do this pink-ish color right here. We just keep it pushing like aye. Now I'm gonna go right into the crease. So I'm gonna use this like magenta fuchsia color right here. Do they have the colors? Was I tripping? It just says purple matte. I'm gonna use the smaller brush so that I can get right in the crease with this. I was gonna do a cut crease, but ain't nobody got time for that. So let me get right up in that. Oh, and I need to change my song because I've been listening to the same song on repeat. Alright, now for the fun part, I'm going to be using this like rose goldy, like hot pink really. It's not even rose gold. It's more like a neon pink shimmer shade. I'm going to use that one right there. I actually like this one, like this little palette, better than I did the, what is it called? I'm losing my mind. Better than I did the pink one, and that's shocking to me because I love pink. That green one was gorgeous too. It's just that I knew that I wasn't going to be able to use it a lot because of the way that I like to look. So anyways, so I'm going to be using that shade all over my eye. I'm debating whether I should use a brush or use my finger, but we'll see in just a moment. Yeah, we're gonna use our fingers. So I'm just gonna use my finger and rub it out. See, instantly so much better. So now for our last little like pop of color, I'm going to use this like lime green, this like neon green yellow color right here, right in, and pop it right into the corners of my eyes. With these shimmery colors, I'm going to recommend your finger 100%. And don't worry if you have like stuff. This is where I like to do my face makeup last, because if I have fallout, or for example, because I'm using my fingers, they got a little bit messy, it's not as like neat and tight, it's okay. You could just take a wipe it off and then start over. So I'm just gonna pop it right into this corner. Ooh, that's so pretty. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a brush. All this has on it was when I tried to do the pink, so it works perfect for me to like blend out that extra. So I have been loving this Kiko Deep Black Kajal liner. Guys, look at the lead on this. Y'all know I love me a black like waterline liner. And not just that, but look at this. It's so pigmented. Oh my god. Yeah, I need to film my favorites for you guys for this month because I have been using the hell out of this. Look at that. I feel like it just instantly ties everything together. Let me go do these lashes and I'll be right back. Alright, so I already popped on the lashes. I just need to do my eyeliner. So while I do that, I'm going to use the No Problem Prime Essence from Touch in Sol. This came in a BoxyCharm, I believe, but I really liked it. And I like the way it smells. So I'll do the typical YouTube, Instagram influencer. By the way, follow me on Instagram. I just started a new one. So go follow me over there. But I'll do this typical. Please don't get in my eye. Please don't get in my eye. Look. You really don't need this much, to be honest with you. I'm just wasting product at this point for the benefit of you guys. So anyways, let me rub this in real quick. Whew. And then as this soaks into my skin, P.S. my lips got a little bit dry. Like I said earlier, I'm sick, so I'm pretty sure that's why. But what I did is I just use the Kapari Lip Glossy, the coconut milk one. I love it. It moisturizes the hell out of my lips. So I needed moisture. That's why my lips look so shiny now. It's not actual makeup. I mean, I guess it's makeup, but it's serving a purpose. Okay, so now that that's good and I look real like greasy, I'm just taking a clean wipe to clean my hands, because I don't like feeling all greasy. And then I'm just going to use some eyeliner and line my eye. I'm not doing like nothing crazy like a cat eye or anything. I feel like this look is standalone good, but I am going to do just to clean this up a bit. Alright, I had to take a quick little food break because I was getting hungry. But before I go in with my foundation, I'm going to put some corrector on spots like this and under my eyes that are like very dark. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Corrector, like the red one. And I'm going to put it just a little bit because a little goes a long way. Right here. And alright, now I'm going to take the Morphe Fluidity Foundation in F4.20 and I'm going to put it all over my face. I don't want to put too much because, you know, but we'll put just enough. I'm just going to buff it out. I'm going to go in and do my whole conceal and contour. I'm going to do the concealing. I'm going to do with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, same one that I use on my as primer for my eyeshadow. Now to set that, I'm going to use the Too Faced Peach Perfect, what is this, setting powder? Translucent Peach Whisper Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. I love the way this smells. It smells like peaches, so why not? And plus it blurs really nicely. And I'm just going to use the same brush that I like did this to kind of just bake it a little bit. Look at that. I'm wearing a black shirt, so I'm trying to be as careful as possible. While that kind of just sits there for a little bit, it's not, I don't like to bake with like crazy amounts, just enough. But what I'm going to do is while that's there, I'm going to use another, technically this is a concealer, but this is the Makeup Revolution, same concealer, but this is in the color C15. So it's a couple shades darker. So I'm going to use it to contour with. I don't want to do too much though. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. Just going to take off the excess powder, setting powder, and I'm just going to use whatever's left over kind of all over my face so I can set that the concealer too. I might just leave her alone because she's not cooperating today. Let's work on my lips and then we'll do blush and highlight. So for my lips, I'm gonna do the Essence Soft Contouring. Y'all already know I love this stuff. The Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Deeply Intoxicated. It's like this dark brown and I really love it. Alright, now I'm gonna use the Morphe liquid lipstick in Jealousy. Look at how pretty this color is. Let me me go in and now and do some blush and highlighter. Yeah. So for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Saharan blush. This is by Juvia's Place. My son got a hold of it and I was pissed. But look at how pretty these colors are, guys. Let's see. I'm feeling Sola today. Sola is this beautiful color right here. So let's go ahead and put this blush on. Whew, look, it's so pretty. I don't know if you're picking it up or if the camera's picking it up good, because the sun, like, clouds keep going in and out of the sun, so it's tripping a little bit. But look at how pretty it is. I really hope you guys can see it. If not, I'll have pictures up on Instagram. So good. So good. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this lip gloss on. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade. Look at how much I've been using it. I just got it this month and it's already starting to like peel off a little bit. But this is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade lip glosses. This one is in peach tea, and let me just tell y'all, she did that. This stuff is so pretty. Look at how pretty. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna do some setting spray, and after the setting spray, I'm gonna come back and do the highlight. If I can find my setting spray. Alright, so this is just the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Y'all know this is my fave. Ah! That I just broke? Did I just break it? Nope, I didn't break it. So let's set this face. And then we're gonna go in with the Artist Couture Purple Dream Diamond Glow Powder, or the Diamond Glow Powder in Purple Dream. I love this because it's very pigmented, but also the cast of like pink purple that it gives is really pretty. So for example, let's do this nose. Look at the nose. Right away. Really like this. It didn't come out as crazy as I thought it was going to come out. You know what? We won't fix that right now. Let me pop a little bit more of that yellow right into the corner, like that neon color, to give it that tat-ow. We're gonna go in there. Let me go in there with this one instead. I'm just kind of, whew. Now it's a look. Alright, anyways, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps, believe it or not. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about it, and share this with everybody you know. If you haven't by now, please go ahead and subscribe. And until next time, bye. I just poked myself in the eye. Bye, guys.